Kayanja, Madu, eyo namulina obukulembeze buli eyo. Why don't you work with them, you and Kunda? Koragana nabo, tufune bwino, like 3 cases.
Your Excellency, actually my uncle is a victim. Nyene uncle wanje.
Now, don't okutonzia. Okutonzia omu Luganda bakwita batya. Okwekubagiza. Tebanange enfudde biki. Ngambo nyabonye. Now, you just get widow. We know your uncle's land, and we know another one, which you know, and we know of another, like 3 of them, and give them to that police officer. Then we come in, because this is like a civic duty. Bomu omuna Uganda asomye. If you have come across such misuse of power, why don't you help by okulambika? Bakita kulambika. Kulambika is what? To lay properly. Then we kill those 3. Do you remember what abantu betwakwata abali baba sent in Prime Minister's office? They were called Obey, and another one. Kazinda. Abantu abo bali babye sente nyingi netubakwata, and it really became no kufandoza abasinga bafa. I don't think they are even alive. Bali luzira.
Bali mukomera sebo.
So, if we now make an example, singo tuyamba netufuna ko betutuga.
Kubanga etteeka ebyapa bingi eby'ekikanga ekyo ebibadde bigattikaniddwa minisita wa lands abadde abisazaamu kubanga etteeka likikkiriza, n'ekirala minisitule ya lands efuba okulaba nga ekozesa ebyuma bikalimagezi, information yenna ebeere ku mutimbagano okwo, kijja kutuyambako okumalawo okugattagatta ebyapa ebyo.
Yeah, but okusazamu is not enough, because we want to punish the one who did it.
Your Excellency, we have developed an IT system, the Land Information Management System, where if you are titling and that land is already titled, you will know. So if there is a case of multiple titling, it is just fraud. It means somebody has deliberately just committed fraud, because now with the IT system.
But Ankonda is saying that she's aware of so many cases. That's why I want her to just get me 3 cases. Okay? Okay, now, Ankonda? Now, Uganda question ball 2026 transition. We shall deal with that at the right time. Omanyi the problem was blood pressure. What is your problem? You have got enough problems handling you now. Ate no yongala kone byukwerarikira obukusajja ogu nagenda.
Waliwo n'abalala abeeraliikirira olw'okuba baba tebaagala kuluzinga. Kweraliikira kwa mirundi ebiri. Waliwo abeeraliikira oba gunaagenda. Waliwo abatya nti oba anaatulekawo.
No, but if you know that NRM is a rational political force, ate waliwo byekozeeko myaka gino gyonna bwe tutuuka tusalawo bwe tuti. Why would you worry that because 1971 yaja mu buyinza? No, 1966 Obote yamenya constitution, netutuula netwogera netusalawo nti kati gire tulindako. We didn't go to the bush, although we didn't support what Obote did. 1966. That's why I was telling you during that time I was busy promoting the land enclosure system in Ankole. Now Amin comes in 71, and we see to say, this time to no kurwana. Yo NRM yo bwesalamu. 81 netusalawo nti bali bagamba bino musirike mukwe antiganeda. This time if we kusirika, Uganda agenda will collapse completely. So we decided to fight. Then all this time we have all this. We come 1986. Then we say, what do we do now? That's why we said, now, for now, to just tambura ku mugendo. You remember the NRM broad base. Then we constitutional assembly, constituent assembly. Then abakulembeze bensikirano, big issue. Tukole tutya, this one. Abagala kubakomyawo abakomyawo. Si kyampaka. We are always dealing with all those issues. Kati niwerwaza blood pressure. Like we have done with all these other issues. I remember 1989, when we decided to invite the ANC here, the group of South Africa. They had been chased from Angola. They had nowhere to go. I had a cabinet meeting, a big debate. Some of the ministers opposing, so no, don't bring ANC here. If you bring ANC, the Wazungu will attack us. The South African whites will bomb us. But no. The South African whites don't want these people to be in South Africa. They don't want them to be in Angola. They don't want them to be in Uganda. Where do they want them to be? And we are here? No way. Let them come. The reason we... So, all these issues can be debated and decided on rationally. Then I think it was 2005, the multi-party. When was it? 2015? 2005. Because multi-party until we say, okay, mbaleke bagende, abagade bina bagende. So, similarly, this issue of 2026 will be decided, and transition is always happening every 5 years, because that's a transition. Transition within continuity. What do you think about that? Kuwanga buli myaka yataano waliwo okuvuganya singa tebawagera ono abaddewo